Imagine a library that holds the instructions for every living thing on Earth. Not books of paper and ink, but a code written in the language of life, DNA. DNA is the master blueprint, the story of every organism, written with just 4 letters. This universal code connects all life, from bacteria to blue whales. It's a recipe passed down for nearly 4 billion years, spelling out how to build and run every living thing. Understanding DNA is like unlocking biology's Rosetta Stone. Today, the smartest lion will take you to a journey into the cell's nucleus to explore this code. We'll learn how these 4 letters combine to write the story of life. This is the code that unites every leaf, fin, and hand. So stick around till the end to know everything about the base structure of DNA. The alphabet of life is made of just 4 chemical bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C. These 4 letters are arranged in a double helix, a twisted ladder. The sides are sugar phosphate backbones. The rungs are pairs of bases. A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G, nature's strict pairing rule. This pairing ensures DNA can copy itself with amazing accuracy. The sequence of these letters, A, T, C, G, carries all genetic information. A single human cell contains about 3 billion of these pairs. If printed, your DNA would fill thousands of books. All life's instructions, written with just 4 letters. Immense complexity, born from simple rules. That's the power of DNA's alphabet. DNA's 4-letter alphabet forms 3-letter words called codons. Each codon is an instruction for building proteins, the cell's tiny machines. Proteins are made of amino acids, and each codon tells the cell which amino acid to add next. The codon ATG signals start and codes for methionine. TAA means stop. There are 64 possible codons, coding for 20 amino acids and punctuation marks. Some amino acids have multiple codons, adding error protection. The cell reads DNA, codon by codon, building proteins that do everything from carrying oxygen to fighting infection. From 4 letters, we get a dictionary of 64 words. These words write the instructions for every protein in your body. DNA's code becomes the machinery of life. That's how information becomes action. If codons are words, genes are sentences, long stretches of DNA that code for one protein. Your DNA is like an encyclopedia, divided into chromosomes, chapters, and genes, sentences. Each gene tells the cell how to build something vital, like insulin or hemoglobin. The DNA stays safe in the nucleus. Copies are sent out to do the work. Sometimes a typo, a mutation, happens in the DNA sequence. One letter change can have big effects, like causing sickle cell anemia. But not all mutations are bad. Most are harmless, and some drive evolution. Beneficial mutations can help an organism survive and pass on its genes. Over time, these changes create the diversity of life. Every difference between you and a tree began as a simple typo. Mutations are the engine of evolution. Step back and marvel. Life's story is written with just 4 letters: A, T, C, and G. This code is universal, shared by all living things, evidence of our common ancestry. Like computer code, the magic is in the sequence, not the letters themselves. The order of A, T, C, and G determines whether you get a rose, a rabbit, or a human. 3-letter codons write recipes for proteins, which build cells, tissues, and entire organisms. DNA's system is elegant, efficient, and adaptable, tested by billions of years of evolution. It allows for both faithful copying and creative change. Every living thing is a masterpiece written in this ancient script. From 4 letters, evolution has written the story of every life on Earth. A simple alphabet, a universe of life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now click on the video on the screen and trust me, you'll like it.